When you are starting over after 50, it is so easy to feel like a complete failure. You look at the life you lost and you worry that everyone else is judging you for it. But what if there is a completely different way to look at it? What if losing it all is not a failure, but a fresh start? The pressure to fix a shattered life all at once is exhausting. So if you're staring at the wreckage right now and feeling completely overwhelmed, it is perfectly okay to just stop and take a deep breath. We've been there and we know the way out.
When you look around at your situation, what you left, it can feel like a total loss. But today, we want to show you how it can actually be a clean slate. We're going to break down your first steps and give you a simple framework to start building a better structure today.
Welcome to Rebuild with Clarity. I'm Terry and this is Donna. We help people over 50 navigate life after a major crisis. When everything falls apart, your first instinct is usually to try and quickly regain your footing. You rush to replace your income or you desperately repair old relationships.
But when your old life is completely gone, you're left with an overwhelming empty space. Changing your perspective to see that emptiness as a clean slate is an important mental shift. It means looking away from the wreckage and focusing directly on what is in front of you right now. That brings us to step one, acknowledge your situation.
This is where it all starts. It is incredibly hard to look around and realize the life you built is completely shattered. When I finally got sober, the initial panic was very real, but it's vital to acknowledge where you are today. And part of that acknowledgement is remembering to be grateful for what you do have. You have your life and you have a clean slate.
Once you accept the reality of your situation, you move to step two, acknowledge your emotions. You're going to experience both grief and relief, and that is completely normal.
That dual reality of emotions is a big one. You should take the time to process your pain and grieve what you have lost. But as you do, people are probably going to judge you. They may even say you just want attention or accuse you of asking for pity. Ignore them. If you need to, just simply do not have them in your life right now. Healing is a long process, but it's incredibly freeing to know that you are finally free from carrying the weight of their opinions. It is completely okay to feel a massive sense of relief when you stop trying to live up to other people's expectations.
Yes, give yourself permission to just breathe in that newly cleared space. Recognizing that lightness is the very first sign that you're ready to construct something new.
Embracing that empty space brings us to step three. Choose rebuilding your life over repairing your past. A major crisis shatters your circumstances, but it does not mean you're broken. When I got sober, trying to glue the broken pieces of my old life together only pulled me backward. I finally accepted that I was not trying to patch up the past, I was building something completely new from the ground up. Real progress happens when you stop trying to tape the old life back together.
Starting fresh does not mean you're walking away empty-handed. You're bringing your life experience, your resilience, and your wisdom with you. You salvage the most valuable asset you have, which is you, and you leave that wreckage behind you.
This first three steps are about changing your internal perspective before you take action. You acknowledge your situation, you accept the dual reality of your emotions, and you choose rebuilding your life over repairing your past.
The groundwork comes before the structure. In part two of this series, we give you the daily actions to rebuild your foundation without getting overwhelmed. If you're ready to take that fresh start and build a real sustainable plan today, visit our website at rebuildwithclarity.com. We have 3 programs to help you with your rebuild. If you're not sure where to start, take our free Rebuild with Clarity quiz right on the homepage.
There is no reason to figure this out alone, and you definitely should not rebuild the life that broke you. Head over to our site, explore the resources we've built for you, and start laying the first brick of your new life today.
That wraps up part 1 of our framework. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now so you do not miss part 2, where we'll show you how to start laying the bricks of your new foundation.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.